Right, here's how we do the color wheel. We have 12 sections. We have primary listed as our first. The color wheel goes primary. We're going to start with red here. And we have 3 primaries. Red, we'll have yellow, we'll have blue. Oh, it's going on this way. We have 3 secondary colors, which are made by mixing the primary, and then we have 6 tertiary colors. So we are going to start with red, then we're going to the right, and next we have a tertiary, T-E-R-T-I-A-R-Y. Then we have a secondary. Secondary. Then we have a tertiary. So this is a pattern. Tertiary. Then after our tertiary, we have a primary. After our primary, we have a tertiary. After that tertiary, we have a secondary. Then we have a tertiary. Then we have a primary. Then we have a tertiary. Then we have a secondary. Then we have a tertiary. So that may be kind of confusing, but we have 1 is red. This next one is number 2. We're not going to label it yet. We're just going to number these. 3, 4. So just go around putting the number. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you ended up with 13, you missed a number. So here's how it goes. We have a triangle that happens between our primaries that goes like this. Visible triangle. So number 1 is red. We're going to make number 5 yellow.
Just saying.
And that should say primary on it. We have 1 more primary color. So these are our basic 3 colors that create all the other colors. That one's going to be blue. So another way to do this is to first number them and then you can go through. But these 3 primaries are in a triangle form. Then if you have red and yellow together, that secondary color will become orange. So squeeze that label in there. So number 3 is orange. If you mix yellow and blue together, that secondary color, number 7, will be green. And if you mix blue and red together, number 11, that secondary color, will be violet, which is another way of saying purple. So now you have a tertiary color in between every single one of these, either secondary or primary colors. So all you do here is say This is a mixture between your primary and your secondary. And when you label it, you always put the primary color first. So we're just gonna put the initials. This is red, orange. Number 2 is RO, which stands for red plus orange. Number 4, the tertiary would be orange plus yellow, but we list our primary color first. So that is YO for yellow, orange. Number 6, the tertiary is yellow plus green. So that's YG, yellow, green. Number 8 is a mixture of the primary color blue plus the secondary color yellow, BG, blue, green. Number 10, that tertiary color is a mixture of blue plus violet, BV, primary plus secondary. So there you go, you have the order of the color wheel. Has to go in this order. It doesn't necessarily have to start with that at the top, but this is the correct flow.